This
Mm-hmm.
conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
that's fine. So I am also from non-technical background only from the starting. So but I learned everything from the scratch. So I will also teach you from the scratch, like Python, how to write a code.
Okay.
Uh, so basically, Python is not like any other. It was very easy to learn because it follows like a simple English, like how you will do the command or prompting. So it
Okay.
was very easy to learn.
Mm.
So the codes also, like in other languages you need to write multiple lines of code. In Python, one line is enough for simple simple executions of the code. So it will take very less time and very less lines of code compared to the other languages. Okay,
Okay.
coming to the data science. What is data science? What
I
we are,
okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah. Do you have any doubt?
Yeah, I can see. I wanted to say I didn't see your screen before, but I can
Huh.
see it.
Okay, okay. I just started sharing. When we come to the data science is a multidisciplinary field. It's like we are not using at one place. In everyday life, we are using at some point of time. From you will have, you know about the Netflix, Amazon Prime, all the OTT platforms. For example, if you watch one movie today, maybe it will be a like a comedy or action film, whatever it may be. If you watch one film today, tomorrow it will recommend you like what to watch. Even YouTube also follows the same,
Mhm.
right? Have you observed that?
Yeah.
A genre, what you have what you have watched, same type of videos you are going to get. Why we are getting that? That is because of data science only. That
Mhm.
will study the data. What are your taste, what is your choice. So depends upon that, they are giving some predictions, like you maybe you may like this, maybe you may love this, so you want this type of movies only. Next day if you watch something other, then it started giving on other types of recommendations. Okay, in for example, if you even in Amazon also, whenever you try to search something, automatically it gives you a lot of recommendations. You buy this laptop, all varieties of laptops, or if you buy laptop, it will give you like speakers, mouse pad, something like that. It will recommend relatively. So that is all because of data science. So uh, do you have any idea about the mathematics, statistics, probability?
Now I have mathematics, little bits of
Okay,
statistics.
okay.
Yeah.
So for this, we required the algorithms, like statistics required. I will also teach. Like, do you, for example, if you toss a coin, what will come?
Head or tail?
Head or tail. So, for example, if you toss 10 times, what is the probability of head?
Head 5 times.
There is a chance you may get 10 times also. There is a chance that you may get 6 times, 7 times. So the
Mm.
that is called the probability. So we, like we are guessing. How you are saying like 5 times or 10 times, you are like uh, predicting it may come.
Yeah.
But exactly the scenario is different. It may come heads 10 times also, it may come only head one time. That is also possible. So
Mhm. Mhm.
with the data we are playing, like we are guessing what we are going to get in future
Mhm.
by analyzing. For example, you task 5 times, you got only tail. So you are going to predict next move will be like a tail or head. So you are guessing. How you are guessing? Like I got 5 times tail, so next move also I may get tail. Like that you are predicting. So data science is all like machine learning. We are going to do the predictions only. So uh, where are you working right now?
I stopped working a long time ago. I
Oh,
used to be, yeah. I used to. I work in IT for some time, and I used
okay.
to, yeah.
Hmm. Okay,
We
fine.
did.
Do you understand me, like what I am telling?
Yes, I don't
Okay.
understand what you're saying. Yes.
Okay. So it is like a multidisciplinary. We are not is data science. We are not using one domain. We are using like healthcare industry, banking industry, finance industry, wherever we want to use. Like for example, if I want to write a content,
Mm.
I can utilize by giving the prompts. Do you know how to give the prompts? Have you
Yes.
ever used ChatGPT?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is combination of all neural networks. That is because of ANN, CNN, complicatory neural networks, and RNN. So we use the system. We keep some algorithms to produce the result. For example, I want to write a mail to somebody. I don't have time to do the prompting. I don't have time to like draft a mail. So I am giving the prompt to the uh, chat gpt, so it is giving me exactly like what is the content, what I have to write. I'm just giving one line of prompt to that. So that is because of data science.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now data science plays a crucial role in business and technology. Includes even we have to find out the customer behavior. Like Amazon, how it is giving, like it is observing the customers behavior, how what they want, what they require. So now like for example, you are going have you observed any like radiology or coning missions, like it is giving you the exactly like what is there inside the body, any tumor, like
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
have you observed that?
Yeah. CAT scan
Yeah,
or
anomaly
about
detections,
that.
like yeah, that is all because of image. What is the image, what it has to be there, what is the anonymous one, like any tumors or something. So it will find out. So that image detection because of uh, deep learning.
Mm-hmm.
So how we are going to do this now, like what, how to play with the data. For example, Amazon, how the customer behavior, how it come to know, like so everything will starts with the data. For example, Amazon collects all the data. It won't go and collect manually, right? So it will observes like what person is doing what, how many people are doing, how many people are purchasing what.
Mm-hmm.
So it will collect the data by using EDA. Okay, exploratory data analysis. Like it will collect, like in the server lots of data will be there. Okay, so they will collect the data. They will collect the data but not manually, automatically the data will be collected in the databases. And that raw data they will take and they will keep it at one place, and they will do segments, like which customer is doing what segments they are liking, like on different multiple bases they will collect the data, and they will clean the data. Like for example, uh, see here, for example, you are booking a flight, not flight, like a train. Sometimes you don't give the right information. It's not possible in US, but sometimes it may possible in India, like giving wrong data, wrong by filling the form. Sometimes we also want to fill the form, like if it asks multiple times, don't give the original, like xxx or some random name you will give and you will fill the form, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we need to clean the data, like all the time nowadays we are giving right data only, otherwise the authentication problem is coming. But sometimes we may, for example, if any kid wanted to book something, so he's under 18, so they don't have chance to take below 18 people, so they will give like random, I'm 20 years, like that. So we need to clean that type of data. Sometimes they will give missing ages and errors. So we need to collect the raw data and we need to clean the data. We need to clean and we need to do the segment wise. So then we will start the exploratory data analysis. Like this, we have to see the income of the people. Like in Amazon, like how many, like rich people, what is their income level, what they are purchasing, more than 50,000 amount they are purchasing or below 50,000. Like they will do segments. You understood my point?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they will do the segment according to the category wise, like what type of, like different segments they will make on
Uh-huh.
customers income level and customer interest level, customer like which type of purchase they are doing more and what they are liking, like that. Okay, then they will train the model. Like if I bring this product, will I get more orders or not? For example, you are in US market, so there is a season for umbrella, so you are selling umbrellas. So how you are predicting, like selling umbrella is a seasonal business, right? Even
Mm-hmm.
for cool drinks also seasonal business. So
Mm-hmm.
you will understand when the season starts, you will keep the stock more, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you will keep the stock more. Once the season ends, you don't bring that much stock. For example, in season you buy 1,000, and when ending of the season you will buy only 50, right? Because you are predicting the market will be like up or down. When the market will be up, these are all the things are happening because of data prediction. By
Mm-hmm.
using some techniques, algorithms we will use, and then we will train the model.
Mm-hmm.
According to our knowledge, we will train the model and we will see the accuracy, like how much percentage, like our prediction is success or not. This is all, this complete life cycle belongs to the machine learning part.
Mm-hmm.
In the data science, machine learning is one subset. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
under the AI, machine learning is the one part. In the machine learning part, we will take the raw data, all the previous data, and we use some prediction techniques, and then we will draw the results. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so for this, what tools required? We required, in Python, so many libraries are there,
Mm-hmm.
like pandas, cban, scikit-learn, numpy. So why Python is important? We can utilize R in data science also, Python also, but most preferably they will go for the Python because it's easy syntax, vast libraries. Like you no need to do the calculations, you no need to write in the libraries. All the calculation will be stored. We just call that function
Mm-hmm.
so that it will be executed. It will be very easy, already stored, but we just need a basic idea what function we need to call. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it? I will
Yeah.
tell you, I will show you what is function and all later on when the time comes.
Mm-hmm.
So data, what is pandas means data manipulation, like tables, csvs, matplotlib, cban, these are all related to the graphs.
Mm-hmm.
Like for example, you have collected so much of data and you want to visualize that, like pie
Mm-hmm.
charts,
Mm-hmm.
pie plot,
Mm-hmm.
like bar graph, like uh, you just give a code, automatically the tables automatically all the graphs will come.
Mm-hmm.
So you will be bored if I tell more about the things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now I am coming to the, see, data, how the types of data. Here I am going to discuss about the types of the data: supervised learning, unsupervised learning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for example, student progress card is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like English he got 80 marks, science he got 20 marks, math he got 50 marks. Okay, depends upon that, like they are giving like math. One second. Where is the board? One second, let me explain you on board. Do you know what is tabular data?
No.
Do you have any idea? Like we are going to, have you observed report card of any kid of
Yeah.
your child? Have
Mm-hmm.
you observed the attendance register?
Mm-hmm.
Like which
Mm-hmm.
person attended on which day? So the
Mm-hmm.
total, the percentage of the student depends upon the number of classes he attended, right?
Yeah.
So I'm so sorry, I'm too bad in drawing. So for example, x, y, z.
Mm-hmm.
He got 30 marks.
Mm-hmm.
So this is tabular data. So
Okay.
x got some marks, math marks 30, y got 10, z got 30, science
Mm-hmm.
x got 40, y got 20, z got 50. So
Yeah.
how you will calculate the percentage of the marks? By seeing the marks only, we will find out like total he got 70 for 200, right?
Mm-hmm.
Out of 200 he got 70 marks. So how we are telling, how we are doing this, like it is a tabular data. So
Mm-hmm.
they made the segments. X got this in this subject, x got 40 marks in science subject, y got 10 in math. Like they are doing by giving, if you give these marks to us, like will can we predict in the next semester how many marks he will get? Like if he read good, he will get 40. If he read bad, he will get only 20. Like that, by using this tabular data, we are making the predictions. That is called machine learning. Okay, by using the past data, and we are predicting the student how many marks he is going to score in the next semester, right? So
Yes.
why we are predicting? Because they are giving this is the past data we are collecting and predicting. Okay, but when we come to, if they don't give, for example, they haven't mentioned the who got xyz or math or science, they just given this data. How you are going to predict which student got which marks? We don't know, right? So that is called unsupervised learning. We are learning from the patterns. Here we are learning from the tabular data. So
Okay.
tabular data means we have everything, we just need to
Mm-hmm.
do the prediction.
Okay.
Unsupervised learning means they don't give a structured data.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to find out the hidden patterns.
Okay.
Okay, this area they will give like the customer behavior. So we need to find out the hidden patterns, like unstructured data. That is called unsupervised learning. Here
Mm-hmm.
in the supervised learning, we are doing from the labeled data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this is another type is reinforcement learning. It means that you need to learn yourself, like a trial and error method. I
Mm-hmm.
will try this. If won't work, I'll try another one. If I try this next time, I'll repeat like this. So this is the best example for self-driving cars. Reinforcement. We are asking the machine to learn themselves. We are not feeding any data. We are not doing anything. That is called reinforcement learning. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now like where we are applying all these things. I have mentioned only these four, but we have so many everywhere from morning to night. When you get up to when you sleep, we are using it so many places. But I just mentioned for understanding like healthcare domain. I already told you, like uh, tumor detections, like any abnormalities in the body, we are using to detect. Okay, even for drug discovery also we are using. Even in finance field, for example, bank, any person is doing fraud, or if you entered a wrong credit card or another person credit card, it will detect automatically, right, by using the CVV, multi-factor authentication. Why we are doing? To detect the frauds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even for credit scoring also we are using. When we coming to the marketing, where we are using, as already discussed, like a customer segmentation, like which area which product will be success, which
Mm-hmm.
area which product will not be, like season detection, all the things, it's going to work. Okay, now coming to the e-commerce. E-commerce is like, e-commerce means like we are selling, like all online platforms like Amazon, Netflix, all not Netflix, Amazon, Flipkart, these are all the e-commerce platform for recommendations. As we all know, where we are using for sports, for generally we are using for sports, like uh, like we know all the bettings, right, in the cricket, like which person is going to play well, which person is not going to play well in this match, like they are going to do betting, right, in their injury prediction and everything we are using that. So I wanted to tell you first, let me explain this chart. What is AI, what is ML, what is DL? This is overview of complete AI. Okay. So AI, what is AI means? Without very less interpretation of human, like very intervention of the human, we should do all the things,
Mm-hmm.
right? Why we are using the machines, like washing machine, like fans, like what? Why we are using this? Why we are using machines?
We use it with human intervention so that we don't have to
Yeah,
use.
we don't have to do manually. Even
Um,
even for cooking also, we got so many tools, so many machines, everything. Without human, those things should be done. We can't do manually few things, so we are using machines. So AI is completely, so in that subset is ML. ML means what I said now. This is all because of this we are using for predictions.
mhm,
Okay, by using the past data. When it comes to deep learning in the sense, what we tell, like it is like a human. Number of neural networks will be there, like our brain, how many neurons are there, how much it in the brain, how it will connected, number of neurons. Same way here we are connecting the data. So chat GPT is using the deep learning techniques to produce something. So do you understand, right? Wherever whatever you ask, it will connect all the networks out of the Google and it will give the results, right? So
mhm,
connecting to the multiple neurons, here DL is connecting to the multiple neurons.
mhm,
So we are using deep learning over there.
mhm. Yep.
And coming to the Gen AI. What is Gen AI? Any idea?
Generative AI.
Generative AI. We have, see, whatever the work DL is doing, generative AI also doing, but here we are giving the data to the machine, here and here.
Mhm,
But coming to the generative AI, we don't give the data, like for example, here you are giving one book, from library, one book you are giving the data. But in coming to the generative AI, we are giving the APIs, secret key, that pass key, that we are giving, so that it will collect huge amount of data, like
mhm,
whatever available in the internet, it will collect. It
mhm,
will read lakhs of data and it will give the results.
mhm.
Understood now the difference
Yeah.
between DL and AI? Here
Mhm,
we are giving very limited data in the DL. We are not giving very vast because it won't take those much data.
mhm,
So I can give you to 20,000 records, 30,000 records, 50,000 records, that much. But in the generative AI, it will collect all the information. I just give an API key. I just give
Mm-hmm.
a secret key. So whatever available in the internet, it will collect complete information about that.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Here in the DL, if I give one image, it will tell you whether it is a cat, it is a dog, or it is a human. It will find out. But here in the generative AI, if I give a cat picture, it will give you the number of like varieties, whatever the breed available over the internet. It will post all the pictures of that cat. So
Got it.
how it is giving, what is the reason behind that? But because it is using mathematics, statistics, probability, wherever you go, like AI, ML, DL, Gen A. So wherever you go, you should understand the math behind it, the statistics, what they are using, what is the probability, how it's giving.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Understood
Yep.
what I told you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now coming to the deep learning. You understood the machine learning part. Like machine learning, we are taking the past data and we are giving the predictions. When it comes to the deep learning means complex patterns. Like, for example, if I give one image to that, it will understand. For example, if I have given this robo, what is this, what is the color pipe, what is the color, what is the this line, and what is the background. It will detect everything, like inch to inch, like all the neurons and everything it will check. And it will mimic the human brains by using artificial neural networks.
Mm-hmm.
It will learn automatically from raw data without manual feature selections. Okay. See here, real world examples like image detection, image recognition, facial recognition. Like we are using multiple types of phones now. Everything will be unlocked by seeing your face recognition, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Do you do like facial recognition with your
Yes.
phone or patterns?
Yes.
Patterns belongs to machine learning part.
Mm-hmm.
Image recognition belongs to the deep learning part. Facial recognitions in phones, voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, these are all use voice assistants, like self driving car, like autonomous vehicles, like object detections, like in the camera who is going, like human or bird. Everything belongs to the deep learning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now coming to the generative AI, as I already discussed, you, it is not one like generative AI. It's in, for example, here in the deep learning, you are giving some prompt to that. So whatever the data you have given one book to that. Whatever the data you have given, from that book only it has to answer. For example, I have given this robo. Immediately I have given the cat picture. It won't detect. Like whatever the data you have given, it has to be there in the
Mm-hmm.
data. Then only
Mm-hmm.
that results will come. I have given a book to read. If I ask the question from that book, then only you can answer, right? If
Mm-hmm.
I ask another question like not related to that book, will you answer?
No.
No. But generative AI will answer
Okay.
because we are using huge amount of data. See, by
Mm-hmm.
learning the patterns from existing data.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the difference between AI, ML, AI, and generative AI. See
Okay.
now, all the chat GPTs will come here.
Mm-hmm.
All types of like a chat GPT will be like text.
Mm-hmm.
DALI or journey from images to text, images from text. If I give some image, it will tell you where it has captured.
Mm-hmm.
Omni control helps the editing of the images. Humata helps in research. I'll show you few.
Mm-hmm.
This is humata.ai. For example, I need some information on Gen AI. I'm just giving the prompt. In the left side it is giving the text, in the right side it is giving it has researched, and it is giving the links, available links over the YouTube. Can you
Okay.
able to see, like
That's
when they have posted, like, see, first AI agent, Gen AI course,
mm,
like that, it will be useful for the research purpose.
mhm.
So everything has a purpose. Humata is for research. Okay, now I will show you Suno. Here I want something, I want some song, okay, without humor interruption. No one is like writing the
Anyway,
lyrics here.
I know how to use Suno. I know.
Okay, then I don't need to discuss, I think so, right, about Suno.
Hmm.
So do you know about Sora?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, if this is related to the images, describe the image, automatically it will give the image.
Yeah, I know that. I
So
know that.
without knowing, you are using everything. Without knowing data science, you are using everything, right?
Yes.
So this is all about data science. Just a brief idea about data science.
Hmm.
So tell me, how are you feeling now? What do you have? Do you understand anything?
Yeah, I get this. I get. So my question is that at the end of this training,
Hmm?
so at the end of this training, what will I be able to? Will I be able to?
You are
Uh,
able to.
so what will I able to? What will I able to do? Because
You will able to do the predictions if you want. First of all, what do you want to become? Like machine learning expert, or deep learning expert, or Gen AI expert? What do you want to become?
yeah, I want to
According to
become.
that, my huh?
I want to become all. But in all, I want to be able to.
Yeah.
Um, I want to be able to develop agents, AI agents.
AI agent. Okay, then you will become AI agent. Like you can create a chatbots. A-
Yes, create things like that. I want to be able
hmm.
to create a
Okay.
chatbot. I want to be able to create any agent that I want to create. For
Yeah,
example,
sure.
agents that write books, edit
Hmm.
books, and things like that. I want to be able
Yeah,
to
you can
create.
write blogs also. Like by giving the prompt,
Yes,
you can write a
yeah,
blog. You can create your own like a content creation and
yeah, exactly. So
why? Yeah,
I want to be able to do those ones by
yeah,
myself
sure.
at the
Yeah,
end of the class.
but it
So
will take some time, I think so. How much time do you have? According to that, we should plan.
so how long is it gonna take? Let me know.
Like it depends upon your pickup time. Like you don't know Python and all, right?
Yeah, I don't know
So I
Python.
have to start from the scratch. I will tell you, like after the basic 1 or 2 classes, I will understand your catching level, and
Mm.
how can you code, and later we discuss then.
So on
How much
average,
time do you have? On average, it will take, generally it will take 3 to 4 months of time. So if you have time every day, 1 to 1.5 hours, we can finish in 60 to 70 days.
you said what?
Like 2.5 months, 3 months.
Yeah, so I want to do it every day, and with exception
Okay.
of Sunday. Exception of
Hmm.
Sunday, every day, exception of Sunday.
Okay, fine. We will do.
Mm.
At what time? Same time?
Same time, yeah,
Okay,
every day,
sure.
but Sunday. Sunday, I go to church on Sunday.
Yeah,
So
okay. No
I,
problem. Even I too required some rest on Sunday.
yeah. So you're telling me I will know machine learning, deep learning,
Yes, I will
and
tell you
gener-
everything.
yeah.
And
Then
as per your understanding, you required more about you want more about Gen AI only, right? So I don't waste much time on machine learning, all the
no,
basic
no, no, I
concepts.
want to know. I want to know those. I
I
want to
will
know.
tell you, but in depth you don't require, I think so. Let's
I
see.
will
Depends
want
upon
in
them.
depth too. I will want in depth too.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I
Sure.
want in depth too, but yeah. So, but mostly I want to. If I want to build ChatGPT myself, things like that, will I be
Yeah.
able to do that?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So things. So that's the reason I came to the class because I already started.
Hmm.
Uh, right now I only use prompts to build
Okay.
most of the apps that I'm building. So, but
Okay.
I run into a lot of issues when I do it because I don't understand, you
Yeah,
know,
fine. I will
what.
help you.
Yeah. So, all right.
So you are from which state?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
No, which state? Are you Indian or American?
I'm in America.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Do you have any other doubts? Anything to ask me?
As long as I'm able to, my objectives are met by the end of the class, I'll be fine. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, are we going to develop AI apps and use this machine learning, deep learning, and and
Do you heard before about MLDL? At least terminology. Have you heard, or today only you
yes,
have heard?
I have.
Okay.
I've heard, I've heard them before.
Yeah.
I've been in IT for years. I just don't. I'm not just. I'm a functional IT person. So I do
Okay.
mostly data conversion,
Hmm.
data data conversion, data everything within mapping, cleansing, and all other things like that. And I've used some tools myself. But
Yeah.
like I told you, I've been developing apps using prompts, all this, yeah,
Hmm.
using prompts to develop apps myself right now. But I just wanted
Oh,
to be
that's
able
very
to, I want to be able to do that from having
scratch.
all the knowledge behind it and to be able to do that, on large scale and things like that. So is
Oh,
that what I will be able to do after this class?
okay. Good to hear. Nice to meet you.
Mm.
That's very great.
So
Yeah.
what I'm asking, will I be able to accomplish this objective after this class?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So we are going to have labs. We are going to have applications, labs during the classes, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I will like you need to download some Jupyter notebook so that we will start working and like lively we have to like do the coding and all.
Yes, yes. So when are you planning to start the class?
So I will tell you like after this discussion we discuss from Monday. Is it fine for you?
Monday is okay. Monday is good. So yeah, Monday is
Let's
good.
see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Just send this slide to me, send an email to me. You have my email address, right? I can give you.
Yeah. Maybe that Subbu sir will do.
No, you can send your slides to me. Subu will send recording to me. He normally send record. This is not my first rodeo with Subu. I've done a
Okay.
class with him already. So just send me the slide. I'll look at it. So and I will I will collect. Guys, Subu will send the recording to me. I know that.
Yeah, he will share with you because those people created, so I don't have access to the recording right now.
Yes. So this. Hold on one second. Uh, where is the chat? I'm looking for the chat.
Yeah, downside.
Okay. So your name is Priya.
Yeah, Vishnu Priya.
Okay. Hold on one second. Okay. So this is my. Let me give you my. So that's my own email. So I will. I'm a very. Uh, you know. Don't worry about me. I'm a fast learner. I understand fast because I'm doing a lot of things myself.
You
So
are doing so much of research that I understood.
yes, myself. So we should be fine if you are um if you are a very good teacher, like you say, and